Hey guys, B Twice here. Today is Saturday, August 14th. Hope everybody is having a good weekend. Today we're going to be doing a wave theory update on PLTR. PLTR had very good earnings this week, so I figured it was time to do an update and check out where this thing could be going. So going back to all-time highs where we had a cycle wave one, we had a complex correction taking us down to our wave two bottom, which we found at this uptrend line, which was also the 76.4% retracement of the wave one advance. So a pretty common spot to find the wave two bottom. Since then, we had a five-wave move to the upside, taking us to about 27.50 a share. Um, we bounced off of there and we ultimately had a correction taking us lower. So that correction actually bottomed at the 61.8% retracement, which is the most common place to find a wave two bottom. We also found support right at this uptrend line. And it looks like we're going to continue holding this uptrend line as this impulse has been basically right above it. So what have we seen since then? So since we've bottomed for our wave two, we've started this five-wave impulse. It looks like we popped it for one, pulled back for a two, and that we're in the process or we've already completed our wave three. Now, during this wave three advance, we've actually broken above this downtrend line set by our all-time highs and our wave one peak. So that's very bullish. We broke above it. Ultimately, we came back beneath it just to have good earnings and gap up. So, if we would have had bad earnings on PLTR, I would have expected this thing to probably to even go down and break the uptrend line, and that could have sent us spiraling extremely lower. But now that the earnings are out of the way, we've had really good earnings. It's at this point in time, bottom should be in. I really don't see this stock going back down and breaking beneath this uptrend line. So now that we have that out of the way, where is this thing going? Um, well, we could have a slight pullback if we hit a wave five peak up here. I don't think it's going to be deep. I don't think we would see a full 61.8% retracement just because the earnings were that good. I think that this stock is going to launch. And so all dips at this point remain a buy. Where do I think it's going to go? I think in these upcoming months we're going to get back above 30s. Maybe it's 6 months, maybe it's a whole year. Who knows? But ultimately, our wave three target right now is going to be 38 a share. How long it's going to take to get there, I'm not entirely sure. But I think that it's going to be a bullish uptrend until we hit that target. From there, we'll see a three-wave pullback taking us back down to the low 30s, and then from there we're going to be heading into the 40s. So I do think all-time highs are going to be coming very soon for PLTR. As long as they continue down the path of having good earnings. Now, with wave theory, a lot of times there could be a bear or bull count that are valid at the exact same time, and then outlying conditions or outlying news that the market doesn't know about can send it spiraling either direction. So if really bad news comes out about PLTR, it could kill it wherever it stands and sends it into a bear count. If really good news comes out for PLTR, it can continue the rally, heading it to its bull price target. So obviously the earnings were really good news, and unless something happens within the market itself or some really negative news happens to PLTR, I do think that we're going to be heading to these upper 30s sometime within the short to intermediate term. So, all right, guys, I hope you like these videos. If you do, go ahead, hit like and subscribe.